Hi everyone. Today our topic is human circulatory system. Circulatory systems are two types: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Human being possess closed circulatory system where blood flows through a closed blood vessels. Open circulatory system where blood flows in open spaces. That's the difference. Human circulatory system contains four parts: heart, arteries, veins, blood. And the discovery of blood circulation system was done by William Harvey. Okay. Average weight of a human heart is approximately 300 grams for male and 250 grams for female. Human heart is a four-chamber heart. Its main function is pumping of blood or circulation of blood. Heartbeat of a normal human being is 72 beats per minute. And the biological term of heart is cardio. Okay. We know that human heart has four chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Here right atrium and left atrium in anterior part and right ventricle and left ventricle in posterior side. And also there is a tricuspid valve between right atrium and right ventricle. And also there is a bicuspid valve between left atrium and left ventricle. Okay. Vein is the vessels which carries the blood from the body towards the heart. Vein contains impure blood, which means carbon dioxide blood. Pulmonary vein is the exception, which always carries pure blood. Pulmonary vein carries the blood from the lungs to the left atrium. The artery is the vessels which carries the blood from the heart towards the body. Artery contains pure blood, which means oxygen mixed blood. But the pulmonary arteries are the exception, which always carries impure blood or deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery carries the blood from right ventricle to the lungs. Okay. Coronary arteries. Coronary arteries are the artery which carrying blood to the muscles of the heart. Pericardium. What is pericardium? Pericardium is the covering of heart. Is called pericardium. Next is cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycles is controlled by two pacemakers in heart. Sinoatrial node, SA node, which is located in the top wall of the right atrium. It is also known as heart of heart. Then atrioventricular node, AV node. AV node is located in between the right atrium and ventricle. And both the pacemakers are types of nervous tissue. Next is blood pressure. The force per unit area which is exerted on the walls of the blood carrying tube by blood called blood pressure. Normal rating of blood pressure in a healthy person is 120/80 mm Hg. Hg means mercury. Blood pressure is high in tube which carry blood to the body parts is systolic pressure, and diastolic pressure is in low in tube which carry blood to the heart. Okay. Next is cardiovascular diseases. First one is arteriosclerosis. It is thickening, hardening, or loss of elasticity of the artery. This disease is known as arteriosclerosis. Then atherosclerosis, which is the deposition of cholesterol in the walls of artery. Then last one is heart attack. A heart attack occurs when one or more of our coronary arteries become blocked. That is heart attack. So these are the important cardiovascular diseases.